Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your car start battery of a Vauxhall Tigra twin top. Let's open the car hood, and if you're standing in front of your car, have a look at the left side behind. There it is, the start battery of your car, and on top of the car battery there are two poles. The right side is the plus pole and the left side is the minus pole. We will use a socket wrench, a nut and an additional part to unscrew the top screw at the minus pole side. This is placed on the left side. Now lay it down to the side and maybe cover it that this clamp will not have contact to the battery again. Now this side of the plus pole is to tighten off, and now lift it up and lay it down to the side. So now your battery is dislocked with pole locks. Then head up a little bit right side. There is a screw. This holds the cover over your battery, and under this there is the air filter too. But this is not the main case in this video. We will use a socket wrench with an additional part and a bit holding system and a torch bit. Untighten the screw and then use a rubber and disassemble the rubber, and then the main work is done. Now we have to lift it up, the whole plastic part, lift up a little bit and then pull it out, but not too much, because under this area there is a line for the dishwasher, okay? Only pull it a little bit out and then rotate it to the front side. Good job. Now there is more space to work at your start battery. There it is, the start battery. Good job. And there is the filter. Okay, now let's have a look. On the right side there is a lock, as you can see, and we will use a socket wrench with a nut to tighten this lock out. It is a screw with a lock holding system to hold the battery in place while you are driving. So let's untighten it and then remove the whole part of that. Take care, do not lose this part inside this area, because you have to disassemble everything inside there to bring this back in position. Okay, there it is. Now it's tightened down. Now lift it up and there it is. This is the battery lock. Good job. Now we are able to extract or remove the whole old battery. Now it's time for the new battery. This is a water battery, as you can see, dynamic silver. Place it back in position and have a look that all things are matches, and then you have to reassemble the battery lock again. Do this first with your hand until the battery is tightened a little bit, and then control the bottom side of the battery, that all areas, all edges are in position. After this, going to use the socket wrench and tighten the lock again. Good job. Aim a little bit and good, yeah. Now rotate it right turn or clockwise. Take care that your battery has the same setup like the battery before, and take care of the poles of the battery. Some batteries are not matches with this car. So, good job, locked, everything's good. Let's head up to the battery again, and there are some covers on top over the poles. First step, remove the plus pole side, and then you are going to reinstall the wire of your battery plus pole side. Press it back in position and then use the socket wrench to tighten this clamp again. Yeah, good job, as you can see. Oh yeah. Let's head up to the left side. This is the minus pole side. The minus pole has two locked at the same way like the red wire too, but on the opposite side. So use the socket wrench and tighten the clamp again. Now your car is under power again. Good job. Okay, reassemble the plastic cover on top. You have to look that everything matches again. Sometimes it has to be over and sometimes it has to be under the other plastic part. So this is a little bit of tricky, but you can handle this. Really, I think of you. I think you can handle this without any problems. Now push it back in position, and as you can see, the hole for the screw is in position again. Good job. Now take the plus pole cover again, back in position. Yeah, a little bit tricky, but you can handle this too. Yeah, good job. Okay, let's have a checkup. Everything is in one line again. Okay, everything matches. Oh, on the left side not right now, but this has to be bent a little bit, and then take the rubber on top. Then have a look under the cover, so everything is right. Yes, good shape, good place. Okay, good job. Now reassemble or push back the rubber part in position. Good, we are nearly done, as you can see. And now it's time for the screw. The big applause for the screw. First step, rotate it by your hand and then use the tool. But take care, it's only plastic. Do not tighten it too hard, okay? And that it is. Everything's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon.